All right, if you're wondering how to get marker off of something like this, like a dining table, here is my solution. I found the best solution for this is a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sponge. So in this video, I'm going to show you how well this actually works. All right, I went ahead and I wet this sponge and then I wrung it out a little bit so it's not super wet. But basically all I do is go ahead and give it a good scrub, and after a little bit it actually all comes off. I'll show you what this looks like at the end. I haven't found anything else that actually works this well and is actually this easy to get off, because this could actually totally ruin a table having marker on here, but this magic eraser really does the trick. I've even done this with permanent marker on certain surfaces and it also works well too. And it's also great for like stuck on food and things like that. You just have to make sure that this is actually wet while you're doing it, because if it's dry, then it actually won't work. But do you see? It's coming right off. Awesome.
Like magic.
It is like magic. See, look, there's another one.
Yeah, I can see it's all done over here.
Now it's also really good for stuck on food. See all that food? It's just like stuck on the table. Comes right off. So check out the link in my description of where you can purchase these. I found a really great deal and I'll share that in the links in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more worth it home finds, and I'll see you in the next one.